nikiitwa taitika, nikiitwa taitika, nikiitwa nitaitika, kupambana kwa Afrika, oh, kupambana, kupambana, kupambana kwa ukombozi, oh, kupambana, kupambana, kupambana kwa ukombozi. Azimio. On the Bay of Mexico, where the sun shines daily on a mountain top, I took a trip on a sailing ship. When I reached Jamaica, I made a stop. But I'm sad to say I'm on my way. Won't be back for many a days. My head is down, my head is turning around. I had to leave a little girl in Kingston Town.
Right, one of the things that we will not forget about Raila, that he was a very very funny man, manze. Alikuwa mtu mwenye ni mfani, hata mali penye watu wako na huzuni angeleta ucheshi na people could laugh, manze. Yani he was a very very funny person. That's why unasikia wanamuita Mr. Vitendawili, kwa sababu each and every time alikuwa na kitendawili ama kwa na msemo. Na despite hiyo pia alikuwa anapenda kuimba sana. So Raila used to sing songs kulingana na situations. Kama anataka kufinya mtu, unajua he was a politician, so kama anataka kufinya mtu anamuimbia wimbo. Listen to some of the songs that he used to sing ya kufinya watu. Yani kama anataka pass a certain information. Check it out.
DJ, hapana leta mchanganyiko. Nataka lero lero ni lero, lero lero ni lero, avulanga mkambani mwei. Mmoja waziri wa usalama anampata mimi onyo, ati Raila huyo utaona cha mtema kuni. Niwaambia bwana, wewe hujui sisi ni wakina nani. Hata baba yako alijaribu na tulikataa. Silikataa. Nyayo alijaribu. Silikataa. Tulimwambia sisi hatuwezi kurudi nyuma. Nilimwambia yeye, nipigwe teke sitarudi nyuma, nipigwe teke nipigwe pingo rudi nyuma, nipigwe pingo niwekwe jela, niwekwe jela, niwekwe jela, niwekwe jela. Hata Ruto waseme, hata Ruto waseme, hata Ruto waseme, sisa tutarudi nyuma. Hata Ruto waseme, hata Ruto waseme, hata Ruto waseme, sisa tutarudi nyuma. Azimio! Azimio! Angujali haina kinga, asaini hapo ni Mola Mwenyezi, ilinguruma likoni ikatiririka, walipasinja wote walifilia baharini, tuliona hayo kwa herini, tuliona ukelewa usida na ni tajiri, hiyo ni mali ya umma wameiba toka kwenu jame. Wape hiyo pombe yao, wakileo akitapika ni shauri yao.
Indeed, the guy was not called Baba for no reason, eh? Alafu apart from me, this guy loved reggae. Sijui kama unakumbuka, there's a time alikuwa na push BBI and he was using reggae. He used to say, nobody can stop reggae, sima, nobody can stop reggae. He used to use that music every time. And he was he used to dance, okay? Despite what was saying, sijui ni mzee ama nini, he can't dance. He used to dance. Whether you like it or not, you'll see him dancing on the stage. That was Baba. And one of his favorite song was this one from Jamaica. I want you to listen to it because he sang not once, not twice. He used to sing it, and everyone knew that this was his favorite song. And actually, this song is actually trending right now because it was Raila's favorite song. And if you saw even Azar the other day, I'll come up na your song. So this was the song. Listen to it, the way he used to love it and used to sing it all over and everywhere. Check it out.
Farewell.
Yeah.
Say it goes like this.
Just
Round the bay of May, the Shanshan Delhi on a mountain top. On a sailing ship when I reached Jamaica, I made a stop. But I'm sad to say I'm on my way. Won't be back for many a day. My head is down, my head is rolling around. I had to leave a little girl in Kingston Town.
hey, we can dance this. We can do better than that. Let's stand up. I think that's a great song. Let's go now. Now you know the song, eh? All right, let's do the song together with the Prime Minister. All right.
Again, and the sunshine brightly on the mountainside. Say I'm on my way.
What be better?
Only now,
Hey!
my heart is cold, the head is turning around.
Harry was, when we were growing up, Harry was up there. You had Cliff Richards.
Yes.
You had Elvis Presley. You had Jim Reeves. You had Ray Charles. Although then there was also Louis Armstrong and so on. But Harry was really my favorite. And my best there is the Jamaica Farewell.
How does it go?
Round the Bay of Mexico, where the sun shone daily on the mountain top, I took a trip on a sailing ship. When I reached Jamaica, I made a stop. But I am sad to say I'm on my way. Won't be back for many a days. My head is down, my head is turning around. I had to let a little girl in Kingston Town.
You've been to Kingston Town?
Yes.
Well, from the singing.
On the Bay of Mexico, where the sun shine daily on a mountain top, I took a trip on a sailing ship. When I reached Jamaica, I made a stop. But I'm sad to say I'm on my way. Won't be back for many a days. My head is down, my head is turning around. I had to leave a little girl in Kingston Town. On the Bay of Mexico, where the sun shine daily on the mountain top, I took a trip on a sailing ship. When I reached Jamaica, I made a stop. But I'm sad to say I'm on my way. Won't be back for many a days. My head is down, my head is turning around. I had to leave a little girl in Kingston Town.
It's very sad that we are not going to listen to these songs again from him. We're going to miss Baba. There's so many reasons to miss Baba. Baba, we loved you, manze. Tulikuwa tunakupenda bana. It's so sad that you have left us, manze. Goodbye, Baba. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to support. Thanks you on the